Looking at you today, I am utterly lost for words. So it's a really good thing I wrote them down ahead of time. My life with you has been transformative. When we first met, I was entirely focused on myself and my career, work, eat, sleep, hike and ski on the weekends, maybe see some friends for drinks. And I was happy, but overall life was good, but I had no idea how much better it could be until you entered my world and quickly took it over.
Dear Will, I feel so happy and honored to be standing here with you on our wedding day. I remember meeting you a little over 4 years ago, and I can honestly say that since the moment I met you, there's never been any doubt in my mind or heart that you were my person and the person I would marry. Look at us now. Because of that, my commitment to you comes with ease today. I have no doubts, no reservations, just an excitement and calmness about our wonderful life to come.
I will keep you and our growing family as my top priority. I will lift you up when life is hard and celebrate with you when life is great. I'll pick up the slack when you need me to, and I'll be your #1 fan all day, every day. I'll be your best friend to share life's experiences with, and while I can't be perfect, I'll always give you the best that I have to offer every time. I love you with all my heart, and I know our life together will be amazing.
You're kind, funny, strong, silly, and the list can go on, but most importantly, you are perfect for me. I truly feel as though we are made for each other, and I'm so grateful for every day we get to spend together. I vow to always love and support you. I vow to always be there for you, and I am so excited to merge our families, and I look forward to a lifetime of growing and creating a beautiful shared life together.
Do you, Nikita, take Will to be your lawfully wedded husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death do you part? If you do, say, I do.
I do.
Do you, Will, take Nikita to be your lawfully wedded wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish till death do you part? If you do, say, I do.
I do.
Will, I give you this ring
Will, I give you this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and commitment to you.
and commitment to you.
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
Nikita, I give you this ring
As a symbol of my love
as a symbol of my love
and commitment to you.
and commitment to you.
With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I thee wed.
It is my honor and delight to declare you married. You may kiss your bride.
small moments, quietly sitting together on the couch after a long day, little surprises for each other from the grocery store, or a cup of coffee ready for you in the morning. My hope for both of you is that you always cherish the little things because they reflect what it truly means to build a life of happiness and connection together.
And I think most importantly of all, Nikita and Will share more laughter with one another than any couple I've ever met. So I'll leave you with this. Keep on laughing and growing and having fun together, my friends. Cheers. I love y'all.